Hi class, during today's lesson, our objective would be to explain the Earth's location in space. Before you get started on this lesson, make sure that you have your guided notes handout in your binder and you're ready to take notes. Let's begin. Let's recall from our last sort of unit, what branch of science studies the universe? I'll give you 2-3 seconds to think about this. If you said astronomy, you're correct. So today we're diving into astronomy and learning about our astronomy basics. So let's begin with what is the universe? The universe is the totality of everything that exists. Totality meaning everything, just all of these things that exist. So this would include planets, stars, galaxies, the contents of intergalactic space, and all matter and energy. Next, what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a group of stars, dust, and gases held together by gravity. If you guys probably remember, gravity is a force that we experience on Earth, but also throughout our universe as well. Gravity is responsible for why we stay on the ground, why things fall from the air, just for a few examples. Galaxies are in motion in the universe. So we'll learn about Earth's motions, but not only is Earth constantly moving, our galaxies are also in motion. What are the different types of galaxies? So there are 3 different types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Spiral just meaning it kind of is in a swirl. Elliptical is an oval shape, and irregular, it's kind of no consistent pattern is there. So what is our galaxy called? Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. It is a spiral shape, so remember there are 3 types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. And it is 100,000 light years in diameter. So now we should ask ourselves, does the sun move within our galaxy? So yes, the sun actually revolves around the center of the Milky Way, or the center of our galaxy. So if you look at this photo in your bottom left-hand corner, you see the center of the Milky Way. The sun is not in the center, but it actually revolves around the center. What is the solar system? So solar system is a system of planets and other objects orbiting the star Sol, which is our sun. So remember, Earth is a part of the solar system, along with Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets all orbit around the sun. Do other stars have planets? So Earth is a satellite planet of one particular star, the sun. Other stars in the universe also have planetary systems similar to our solar system. So not only does our solar system have planets that revolve around the sun, we also know that other solar systems also have similar planets that also revolve around the sun. So just to sum up our quick lesson from today, the Milky Way is a large spiral galaxy. So out of those 3 categories, spiral, elliptical, irregular, our galaxy, the Milky Way, is a spiral galaxy. The solar system is a system of planets and other objects orbiting the sun. Other stars in the universe also have planetary systems similar to our solar system. And lastly, it is extremely important to know this, from small to large, let's categorize these. We go from sun, which is revolving around the center of our galaxy, solar system, galaxy, and universe. So you'll see this a lot, asking you to categorize these from small to large or large to small. It's really important that you know this order: sun, solar system, galaxy, universe. All right, that's it. Make sure you get your independent practice done and make sure you complete your exit ticket. Thanks, guys.